Clean battery leakage. In this day and age of modern wonders, we are fortunate enough to have a lot of electronic devices that help make our lives easier. These devices often need batteries to run them and sometimes are left in for too long. When this happens, the batteries can leak out and cause damage to the electronic device. Cleaning battery leaks is fairly easy if you know what you're doing. Follow the instructions below on how to clean up battery leaks. Leaving batteries in your electronic items for a long time can cause them to leak their battery compartments. Cleaning up alkaline materials or battery acid is not difficult. Here is a simple way of cleaning up the battery leakage for alkaline batteries or acid batteries. To begin, you need the following items: rubber gloves, eyewear protection, cotton swabs or Q-tips, toothbrush, lemon juice, vinegar, or baking soda. Before beginning the cleaning, you must first determine if the leaky battery is alkaline or acid. Alkaline batteries, be mindful to do the cleaning in a well-ventilated area to make sure you don't inhale any fumes released by the leaky battery. With your gloves and eye protection on, place a good amount of vinegar or lemon juice on a toothbrush or a Q-tip. Using the toothbrush or Q-tip, clean out the residue along the spill area. Alkaline batteries are made up potassium hydroxide, a caustic substance that can cause irritation when in contact with your eyes and skin or when you inhale it. Acid batteries, regardless of the type of battery, always do the cleaning in a well-ventilated area to make sure you don't inhale any fumes released by the leaky battery. With your gloves and eye protection on, place a good amount of baking soda on a toothbrush or a Q-tip. With the toothbrush or Q-tip, clean out the residue along the spill area. Make sure you do not let water come into contact with the spill. Here are a few tips regarding battery safety. Always use the same brand of batteries in your electronics. Never put in differing brands of batteries to avoid having a combination of alkaline and acid leaks in your electronics. When not in use, always remove the batteries from the device. Keep the battery areas dry before switching out old batteries. In the event that you come into contact with the leaks, immediately wash yourself with running water. Be mindful of the warranties for both electronic device and battery. Always check with the battery manufacturer when facing leaks. Many manufacturers offer free replacement of damaged electronics caused by their leaky batteries. The trouble with disposable power sources like batteries is that they tend to be forgotten. And when they leak, they can cause a lot of trouble and hassle just to clean them up. But armed with the knowledge and experience, you'll be able to clean up battery leaks.